In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Charmed theme song. How I went from this to this. Enjoy! So first I figure out the episode or episodes I want to use. I put the episode into Capcut and cut the clips to which ones I want to use. I'm not doing a full opening, I'm just doing an example so I can show you what my process is. So I'm just going to be doing Prue's name clip, or Shannen Doherty, may she rest in peace. You can use any song you want to, but I'm just going to be using the Charmed theme. How soon is now. So here I'm extracting the audio. I'm going to adjustments so I can color this clip. Now I hope you got your flashes because this is important. In the Charmed theme song, you see flashes so it can transition to the next clip or the actor's face. This is what I'm doing right here. Sometimes dodge looks good, sometimes hard light looks good. It's your choice. Now I'm going to the masking tool. Basically, it's a letter around the actor's face, not before the clip, but during the clip. I don't think this is a Capcut only thing. I've seen it in Videopad before, I just didn't know how to use it. That was 2022. Okay, now I hope you got this part, like the flashes but smaller. Now it's time for the text. You also have to decide if you want the actor or actress's name in capitals or not. Now this part is optional, but you can inverse the name. Just make the last part of the text black and the shadow white, just as I'm doing right now. You can also decide if you want zooms, like on the keyframe. You can have it instantly zoomed or not. I'll slow it down so you can see how I'm doing it. Here's how I prefer it. Now I'm going to adjust the zooms on the next clips. This is also optional, but I color the ends of the clips too. Now I'm going to put the flashes before and after the clips. Here are my results so far. Now I'm going to show you how you can make an adjustment for the whole entire timeline. Getting my colors just right. Now I'm doing the flashes. And here is what it should look like. I hope this helped you video editors. Remember Gilligan's Island? Click this video to find out how I made that theme song. Thank you for watching.